Hi, this is Mr. Barr, and this is the answer key for the pretest systems and functions. All right, the first one, it's asking me to graph this equation. Good. So I'm going to start at 4, right here at 4, and I'm going to go down 2 over 3, down 2 over 3, down 2 over 3, down 2 over 3. Yep, just follow that pattern. Down 2 over 3, down 2 over 3. Next one, I need to graph this equation. It's in standard form, so I'm going to use mini-me's. So I'm going to have 3x equals 12 and negative 4y equals 12. 3x equals 12, so x equals 4. Negative 4y equals 12, so y equals negative 3. And I'm going to plot those two intercepts at 4 and negative 3. See, next one is to identify the rate of change in each of these. So here's the slope-intercept equation. Slope is negative 3, which means rate of change is negative 3, since rate of change and slope are the same thing. Here is a table of values. When you get this, that'll be a 9. So it changed from here to here. It went up by 2. That's your rise. And from here to here, it went up by 3. That's your run. So rise over run. Equals 2 over 3, which is your rate of change or your slope. This one is a graph. To find the slope, I need to find 2 good points. So there's a good point, there's a good point. Looks like it's got a rise of 1, 2, 3, 4, and a run of 3, 1, 2, 3. So 4 over 3. So it's 4 over 3, but it's a negative slope. So I have to add a negative to it. So my answer is negative 4/3. Negative 4/3. The next one, solve the following system by graphing. There we go, solve the following system by graphing. So I've got two slope-intercept equations. So the first one, it's going to start at 3 and go down 4 over 3. Starting at 3, going down 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 over 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. The second equation, where is it? Where am I? Right here. It's going to start at negative 6 and go down 1 over 6. Excuse me, go up 1 over 6. Start at negative 6, go up 1 over 6. Start at negative 6 and go up 1 over 6, up 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here's where they cross. And where is that point? That point is at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6, negative 5, 6, negative 5. Or 6, negative 5. Create the slope-intercept equation for this graph. It needs two things. I need my slope and my intercept. So my slope I can see right here. It's got a rise of 2 and a run of 1. So my slope is 2 over 1. And my y-intercept is at negative 4. So I have it as y equals 2 over 1x minus 4, or just 2x minus 4. And that's it for the basics, I think. Yes, it is. On to the proficients. Says to graph the following system. You don't have to solve it. So this one I'm going to start at 4 and go down 1 over 2. Starting at 4, down 1 over 2, down 1 over 2, down 1 over 2. This one is a mini-me, so I'm going to go 4x equals 16 and 8y equals 16. 4x equals 16, so x equals 4. 8y equals 16, so y equals 2. Those are my intercepts. I have x at 4 and y at 2. X at 4, y at 2. These are parallel lines, so there's actually no solution to the system. Next one, solve the system by graphing. I have y equals negative x. I could have put a plus 0 if I wanted to. So this is going to be start at 0, go down 1 over 1. Here's my graph paper. Start at 0, go down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1, bringing it up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. There's my first line. Second one is in standard form. So I have x minus 2y equals 6, equals negative 6. I'm going to split it into mini equations. So I have x equals negative 6. And I have negative 2y equals negative 6, so y equals 3. So I have x equals negative 6, y equals 3. X equals negative 6, y equals 3. Where's my graph paper? X equals negative 6. Boom. Y equals 3. There it is. And then I look for where they cross. They cross right there, and that's at negative 2, 2. 1, 2 negative, 1, 2 positive. So negative 2, 2, negative 2, 2 is the correct answer. Negative 2, 2. This one, we're going to find the equation for this table. So this is going up by 2, 2, 2, 2. So it's got a run of 2. It's going down by 3. So it's got a rise of negative 3. So negative 3 over 2, rise over run, negative 3 over 2. And then I have to back out the 0, so 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, 0, negative 9, negative 6, negative 3, 0, 3, 6. So my intercept's at 6. So y equals negative 3 halves x plus 6. And our final one, we're just going to compare a bunch of rates of change. Select all the linear functions that have a rate of change greater than 2. Okay. This is a negative slope or a negative rate of change, so it's not going to be greater than 2. So I'm not going to select A. A, nope. This one, greater than 2. This has a slope of 3, which is greater than 2, so I'm going to select it. This guy, I'm going to find the rate of change, so it's 5 over 2, which is 2.5, which is greater than 2, so I'm going to select it. And this one's at a half, which is not greater than 2, so I'm not going to select it. And I think that is my video. So that was the Edulastic answer key for pretest systems and functions. Thanks for watching.